move to the back of the line.
And anything else that would leave your possession while riding will not be permitted to be brought.
Welcome back, riders. How was that ride? Please unbuckle your seatbelt, push up on your left bar, gather up all belongings, and exit to the left and rear of the station. Thank you for riding the Great Nor'easter. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers, and don't forget to check out your ride photo. New riders, welcome to Morey's Piers Great Nor'easter. Please carefully enter the train and place all remaining loose articles, including loose shoes.
Get in line, please take one step back behind the yellow line, then your gates are closing.
That's on the far side of the platform. Loose articles lost while riding.
That's kind of cool, actually. Thank you.
Your glass is tight, right?
Yeah, it's got a strap.
If any loose article injures another one.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we are at Morey's Piers. The POV season has begun. We're riding Fly, the Great Nor'easter. Now you see, this is actually one of my favorite rides in the state of New Jersey because of how intense it is. Especially in the back, it gets a pretty good whip on it. But you guys are going to see it pretty soon.
Alright, so
Can't wait.
all clear. All clear dispatch. Riders, get back and enjoy your ride.
All right, here we go, everyone. Now, if you were lucky, you might see Saj and my friend taking photos of the ride. Very exciting. I haven't been on this ride in 2 years. Oh, they changed the motor. That's new. I like the old one though. Yeah! Ah! Oh, it's bumpy. This thing is bumpier than I remember. Woo! The primal wave turn into the sidewalk now. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Sash! Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Great Nor'easter and the rolling trains. Sweet!
Push up on your left bar, gather up all belongings, and exit to the left and rear of the station. Thank you for riding the Great Nor'easter. Enjoy the rest of your stay here at Morey's Piers, and don't forget to check out your ride photo.
Guys, that was incredible! It makes me want to ride again! If only I wasn't hungry!